Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to episode number 2, Install Active Directory on Windows Server 2025. I'll show you the basic setup I have done. I installed 3 virtual machines, AD01, additional domain controller 02 and CL01, and regular VMware machines, next and normal, and I use the default network. When we built a new virtual machine, it's always be a NAT switch. And when I log in, let me show you one example. So when I log in, it gave me 192.168.192 some IP range, gateway, and DNS 192.2. So what I have done here in DC1 machine is I go to IPv6 disable, IPv4 192.168.192 as per the range manually 100. So what I am going to do is the first machine I'm using 192.168.192.100 as per the NAT range. This machine is my AD machine, so my DNS has to be 100 because AD, IP and DNS both should be on the same machine. And alternate DNS I am doing 8.8.8. Same way, my second machine IP will be 101. DNS will be 100, pointing towards my AD. And definitely global DNS will be 8.8.8. Third machine, client machine, IP 102, DNS still 100. So 192.168.192, 101 into the second machine. IPv6 disable, 192.168.192.101, gateway is 192.2, DNS is 100 and global DNS is 8.8.8. So we should get internet. Now let's configure this CL3 machine. IPv6 disable, IPv4. So 192.168.192, 100, 101. Third machine is 102. Gateway and 192.2. DNS is still 80, which is 100, and global DNS. So definitely we should get internet. Let's browse something and start File Explorer. I'll rename this machine. CL01. So now looks good. Basic settings. CMD. who am I? ADSRV01 Kumar. And I go to start, go to computer management, local user, so it's Kumar, and Kumar is a member of administrator group by default, local admin. My machine name, ADSRV01. Go to the start, server manager, add roles and features, next, ADSRV01, install Active Directory domain services, first domain controller of this series. Simple, next, install. Now go to notification, promote the server to a domain controller. We discussed in episode number 1. If it is a second domain controller, we use this option, add a domain controller to an existing domain. Add a new forest child domain, new tree, if you have already a first domain controller as a forest. So it's my first domain in my organization. So it's a new forest. So I'm using a domain called ABC or abcut.com or kkumarcorporation.com, kcut.com. So very good news, functional level, forest functional level is the highest we have, 2025, and domain functional level 2025. You want a DNS on this machine? Definitely we set our primary DNS IP is same as on the same machine. So definitely we need a DNS global catalog by default, and this is not a RODC server. DSRM password, AD replica or Active Directory restore mode password. So if tomorrow when we do this AD restores, then we use this password. So I'll put some different password here. We don't need any delegation. NetBIOS name, Kumar without .com. NetBIOS name wins old days, without .com. Always default entity as path, C Windows entity as sysvol for the group policy. So he's saying one of the prerequisites fail. Let's see. So administrator account becomes the domain administrator account when you create a new domain. So okay, so because it's a VMware machine, so it installed with the username Kumar. So go to computer management, local user administrator, set password. And this add to a group, administrator group. Looks good. I'll sign out from this Kumar user. And I'll try to log in with my administrator account. Because when we deploy a VM in the VMware machine, the default username they will create it based on the machine name. So Control Alt Delete, administrator account. Same steps, promote this server to a domain controller, new forest, kumarcorp.com, forest function level, recovery password, no delegation, this time everything good. This will take 2-3 minutes. Machine will be rebooted. My Active Directory should be ready. I'll pause here and we'll come back after reboot. So computer is being restarting. So now I'm logging Kumar Corp, my administrator account. With my password. So I go to my stats, my PowerShell, run as admin, so now my host name is same, ADSRV01, who am I? KCorp administrator. So tools, Active Directory users and computers. kumarcorp.com, and I have one domain controller, ADSRV01, and I don't have any client machine so far. And if I do a ping, kumarcorp.com, definitely it resolve my IP 192.168, 192.100. Go to ncpa.cpl. By default, DNS always change to the loopback after AD reboot. So I'll change back. As per 100, global DNS is still my 8.8.8.8. So I think looks good. I hope this session will be informative for you, and we'll see in the next episode how to join any client machine with AD machine or with Active Directory. Thank you.